Jaja, this is one of all Jamaicans. I need you to stop on that and please come help me understand something. Because I don't know if I mean I have no understanding or I can't read, but I don't think I say this properly. Please don't tell me that this is the way it actually is, because this doesn't make no form of sense to me. We also need to look on a few things before we try to get to the point. You understand? So, this is basically saying the education ministry recruiting foreign teachers for new academic year. Some unbelievable shit. You understand? But cool. We'll get to that. The second one we are going to look at today, it says the Ministry of Education and Youth will be employing various teacher retention strategies for the 2024-2025 academic year, which begins in September. Now, that's just a few days from now. So, you might see some new faces, some new teachers in the classrooms. You understand? If any student watching this video right now. Moving on. I'm chat too much. Anyway, this state we currently have engaged Nigeria, Ghana, the Philippines, and India. We are looking all over, she said, in response to a question posed during the Ministry's Region 6 2024 Back to School Conference at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. So basically, they are recruit teachers from everywhere they can get them from, because the teachers in Jamaica are leaving. Yeah, they are leaving for better. Them tired for beg and plea for what is theirs. But we soon get to that. The nether article, the nether piece now state no special contract offered to overseas teachers, says such person. Would you believe that? Would you really believe that? Alright. For context, remember the other day when PSC leave and the Jamaican nurses them start left go overseas as well. Why was that again? A lot of nurses and doctors come from Cuba and them come to Jamaica, where things is better at Jamaica than at home. So they come to a place where the grass is green up on the other side, and the Jamaican government, again, this is not me bullying the government or saying that the government are the only bad, because them do a whole lot of good. But we just talk about this specific thing. Them did pay them more. You understand? End of the story. Them did pay them more. The nurses them strike and them start lift up. Them go other places where it is better. You understand me? So this are basically the same thing. The teachers them strike. Some are get underpay, short pay. Some of them not get no pay. And whenever them talk about the money, it's a problem. You understand? The teacher them go through hell. Literally. Both from the employer and at school, because them pitney are not easy to deal with. Them pitney are don't easy to deal with, and who knows it. You understand what I say? So when them say no special contract is offered, I kind of don't believe that one day. Because there's no way in the hell you're going to take people from Ghana so far, India so far, all about and pay them the same thing when you pay the Jamaican teachers. It cannot work. That can't balance them. So come here, so if you send back money to them family, yeah, because them have a wife, pitney this, that, you name it, parent, it cannot work. It cannot work. There is special offer. You understand what I say? And up to the dungeous man can know that. So, look how simple this thing is. The teachers, them are plead with them the whole time. Bro, give what we're supposed to get. What Joe to Caesar give it to him. You understand? I be a gossa around the thing, Tom and Jerry bullshit back and forth. So them decide, so them all lift up. Cool. You know how simple this is? Let me tell you how simple this is. You see the teacher them what they are Jamaica? Give them what them supposed to get. Pay them right money. They will stay, you know. It's not everybody everybody foreign minded and quick for run. Go cross, you know. Yeah, people we stay them yard too, man. You get me I say? If you not pay them right amount of money and pay them what is due to them and deal with them with respect, because it is not always about the money. Deal with them with respect. Them we stay them yard, bro. Me can promise that them will stay home, not for them. And But see, the government do something good the other day where I need to highlight that too. I can't just highlight only the bad. But see, them have a program, I don't know if it's still valid, but them have a program where them send you go get a certain degree or a certain schooling. If you want to be a nurse, for example, them will send you to the schooling, send you to a college, wherever you get a degree, diploma, and them will take time withdraw that from your pay. You understand? So, I know of course there's a whole heap of people who are just willing to sit down and don't do nothing. But what about the one them who are actually hardworking and want to go and get something? What about these people who are willing to stay home? Enough for them own a race and teach the kids. What about why you not treat these people with more respect? Listen. If you start treat the teachers them right, then we deal back with Uno right. Because leaving Jamaica to America or elsewhere to the UK or wherever, them not really want that most of the time. Them have to go deal with coal, them have to go deal with some white, rotten, rich people who want them want pit pan and deal with the end. Them not willing to put up with that, because you know Jamaicans go to work. We can't tell them willing to stay home when you just have to deal with them correctly. You understand what I say? Deal with them good, them deal back with Uno good. But we could have never believe so Uno really go recruit. Why Uno not just start take care of our own G? Take care of our own, bro. You get me I say? Uno can't make the common man a road that tell you them thing. Same like the nurses, same like the teachers, same like even some simple construction worker. Them rather go somewhere different than stay here so, because of the way how Uno deal with them G. It's sad, you know. It's sad, bad man. Bro, Uno need, bro, right now, me I tell you, Jaja, me feel a way when I see all them things. You might play with you. Me could see you go still. Boy, Uno shame me, Jaja. A disgrace.